All right, we're just sitting here waiting on the hurricane to come. Doing the break.
Y'all ready? Come on, hurricane.
What's up? Hey, just got off work. Tomorrow we have a hurricane coming, Hurricane Milton. And we live in Central Florida, so we're going to see what happens. We're going to stay here, ride it out. Me and my brother are going to take care of my dad, who has a trach and needs oxygen. So I'm going to keep you up to date how we make it through. The house that we're staying in was built by my grandpa in the 40s. So it's been through a lot of hurricanes, and it's really old. It's been a while since it's been through one this big. It's been a while since I've been through one this big. So we're just going to take it minute by minute and see how we end up. Hopefully everything's good. What's up, guys? It is Wednesday morning at 9:47 a.m. We are making the trek over to Orange County to stay at my brother's house and help take care of our dad. The projected path of the hurricane has shifted south a little bit. That doesn't mean anything. We're still going to get Category 4 coming into land, coming across and exiting out into the Atlantic. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We have procured a generator. So this is where we're staying at. This tree is huge. We used to climb in that when we were kids, and here's our camping trailer with the smoker on it. House is right there. And another huge oak tree. We're going to be pulling the kayak out of this carport, and both the Jeeps are going to go in here. So we are actually moving a vehicle off the property and taking it down the road to drop it off in the parking lot. And if all of the trees come down and block us in, we can hike to get this other vehicle. And that's what we're doing right now. Alright, we got the truck dropped off. We're grabbing some last minute supplies and heading back to the house. To our little wooden bunker, and we'll see what happens. It's 11:21. It's still a long time before the storm gets here. It's not supposed to... I don't even think the eye's supposed to hit now until like 8 o'clock or something. So it's going to be overnight. Overnight storms are the worst. We just got to see how we make it through. We can't get any more prepared than we are. So we'll see what happens. 11:30 update. We're in Zellwood. Not really a whole lot's going on. It's still calm. So this is what we're dealing with. This is the canopy we under. Let's look at all these trees. That big boy right there. It's all trees everywhere. We'll see what happens. Hey y'all, it's about 2:50, 3 o'clock-ish. We're still good here. Just doing an update. Nothing's happening. Nobody's on the road. That's 441 right there behind me. And just hanging out. Nothing yet. Stay safe. All right, guys. It's a little after 3:30, and I don't know if you can tell in the picture. The wind's picking up a little bit. Oops. Ow! So yeah, it's getting windy. It's starting to get a little gusty.
Looking at a smaller American flag.
Right. Ow, that's the door. My fucking pants are falling down.
Coming to you live from Orange County, Florida. Weather here is 18-mile-an-hour winds, supposedly 37-mile-per-hour gusts, and this is our hourly update on the storm. Yeah, not much going on. Coming to you live from Orange County, Florida. Hurricane is Category 3. We got wind speeds up to 19 miles an hour, gusting up to 44. As you can see, the wind has picked up a little bit here, and so has the alcohol content in my body. Stay tuned for the next hourly update.
Yeah, I put that up because he was piling like fans, that milk tray, all kinds of shit in front of the door. So when I'd open the door, all the shit was done. What the fuck? That was not cool. Bitch. I wasn't trying to point on you, man, I swear. Trying to hit that 18. Liar. Take more time. I know. Bend your arm.
Hey, how you doing? I'm wearing a mask and a fucking motorcycle helmet. Hey, we're live, Orange County, Florida. The winds are really starting to pick up here. We got 22 mile per hour sustained winds gusting up to 40. We got some really cool iridescent blue lightning going on. Pretty much that's it for here. Just stay tuned for our next hourly update.
Well, not live stream, but just regular video. There's a puddle. Puddle. Tires are burning. What time is it? 9:30? Hey, it's 9:30. We're out running about, checking out what's happening. DI just hit Tampa 30 minutes, maybe an hour ago, and we're just checking out what's going on in our neck of the woods. Neck of the woods. Somebody else is driving around too. Oh, there it is. Huh? I don't know. Yeah, it says. Alright, I'm gonna go back.
Hey, this is your 10 o'clock update, and seems like it's pretty stable right now. We got some debris. We got 24 mile an hour sustained winds, a little bit of flooding in the roads. That's about it. Nothing major. Seen a transformer popping off, blowing a little bit, but not too much going on. Looks like a normal thunderstorm around here. Stay tuned, we'll keep you updated.
that wind destructive? Something just snapped.
Big shit coming down,
Well, we made it. Trees are down everywhere. No one has power. But we made it. We're on 441. Going to check out my place. Hopefully everything's good. We'll find out here in a little bit. Yeah. Stay tuned. Milton was nuts.
Tree in the road? What the hell is that? Palm tree?
Oh yeah, from the center. I say house, but we're currently living in a RV park in a little mobile home. Let's see, Fairground.
Motorcycles are good when cover blow off.
I'm always worried about these pine trees, but they do a really good job of not falling down. Alright guys.
Hey, somebody's roof right there.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Dude, this thing got screwed. Oh, it's flooded, dude. Hey, we should turn left back here. Hazleton Village is flooded.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. Fuck, you see all the aluminum everywhere?
Yeah.
What, you wanted to go in there?
I don't know. What is this behind this? Popo? No.
A school bus with some bright ass light on it or something?
No, I didn't want to go in there. I just wanted to turn at the crossroads road to see how high up the water is.
Oh, okay.
That was a fire truck. Wow.
They could just put that low part up front. Oh, yeah, right in the middle there's a lake.
Yeah, dude.
I've got aluminum all over the road.
Oh yeah, this bitch is flooded.
dead in the road out there.
Yeah, I see him too. Alright, we're going into my mom's neighborhood to check on her place. Man, there's some damage here. Alright, this is my mom's house up here on the left. I'm going to get out, check it out, make sure everything's okay, and see if she's got part of soffit down, and break up her yard.